As a mother, I started questioning many things. Are they really understanding how to think independently? They always have a creativity driven learning where they were asking very deep questions. Their thinking power improved. That made me realize something very important: communication, creativity, and confidence. Freemi believes that education is not just about academics, it includes emotional growth, emotional resilience, confidence, understanding the problem, finding the solution, independent thinking. Hello, I'm Shalini, founder of FreeMe, and a mother who is deeply passionate about conscious parenting and holistic childhood. This podcast is very close to my heart because FreeMe was not just created as a platform, it is born from real observations, real experiences, and real transformations I saw in my own children. As a mother, I started questioning many things. Today, our children, are they truly learning or just memorizing? Are they really growing emotionally? Are they really understanding how to think independently? Or are they able to connect with themselves? Or they're becoming passive consumers of information all around and the screens? And honestly, I felt something need to be changed. So in our home, we chose a different path. We started focusing more on holistic growth and unschooling principles. So we reduced the screen dependency. My kids, they have heart to heart conversation with me and my husband. They always learn through experiences, experiments. They always have a creativity driven learning. We allow boredom at home. We allow imagination. And now I see how my kids function today are totally different. And slowly I started seeing some beautiful things in my children. They were becoming more active than passive. They were emotionally aware. They were asking very deep questions. Their thinking power improved. And they're not massive, consumers. They're curious. They're doing things on their own. And that made me realize something very important. Children naturally want to learn. It is their curiosity which makes them go to next level. They need the right environment. They need the right environment to flourish. And we all see that today many children are overstimulated with lot of information, fast paced world and constant environment, constant entertainment. Are we not entertaining our kids all the time? Toys have been abusive. They are always there to entertain kids. Do we really need toys for the entertainment or we need toys for them to learn? But at the same time, many are struggling with focus, emotional resilience, understanding your own self, communication, creativity, and confidence. Parents are also overwhelmed. There is so much information everywhere, but do we have real guidance and support? This is where Freeme was created to give you the support that you need to grow your kids in this fast paced environment in the AI era where information is all around. Freeme believes that education is not just about academics, it's about holistic growth for the kids. It includes emotional growth, emotional resilience, confidence, understanding the problem, finding the solution, independent thinking, life skills, and on the top of it, human values. I'll be very honest and direct to you. Should we not raise humans instead of zombies for tomorrow? Because our future will not belong to the children who can just memorize. It will belong to the children who can think, who can be independent, who can understand the problem and solve it. And especially in the AI era, we need to raise children who are emotionally aware, who are thinking independently, and who are strong and confident. Free Me is for parents who want to do more intentional parenting, for families who want healthier childhood, for educators who feel education should be more alive, and for mothers looking for support and community, and for anyone who believes children should not learn under pressure, children should learn by self driving force. So, through this podcast, we'll have many topics which we are going to cover, be it emotional resilience, be it nutrition, be it parenting, or traveling, or future skills, open ended learning, confidence building, mindful screen habits, and holistic child development. This is not about perfect parenting, this is about conscious parenting. This is about understanding our children need us more than ever in this AI era. Small intentional changes that create lifelong impact. Thank you so much for being there and being part of this journey. Together, we all can raise kids who are just not successful, but creative thinkers, problem solvers, confident speakers, and independent thinkers. So, this is what Free Me is all about. Welcome to Free Me and thank you for watching the podcast. Stay tuned for the next episode, and until then, Shalini is saying goodbye and please follow and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.